What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing NFT project. And looks to me it's special for you in 2024, and you can generate best return if you hold these NFTs. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, because it's perfect idea and you will be updated with upcoming videos also. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate best return by buying these NFTs, so you can join that. But my responsibility is to provide one of the most top listed platform from where you can generate best return in the future. So plenty of benefits are available for you guys, and early buyer can get free airdrops, and how you can get these airdrops. So I will guide you, and its minting date is 18th of September 2024. So I will provide you all the guideline how you can buy that and what kind of potential this NFT platform has, and they have different types of NFTs. So we'll discuss about this. The name of this platform is American President.com. So the NFTs details are there, and you can verify each and everything, because it's very important. And one thing that inspired me to introduce this platform, and that there are partners who are backing up this platform. It's amazing, and looks to me you can generate best return from here. So please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how you can jump in, and how you can join the party, and how you can generate best return. They have a very unique and special collection of 8,888 NFTs. So at the moment, and looks to me that these collections are perfect, and you can easily generate best return. So the details are mentioned, each and everything is perfect, and you can see minting date. So if we click on minting dates, we'll see 18th of September 2024. So next you can see owner benefits. So it's very important to tell you your owner and the owner of the NFT can get 50% profit, and how you can get these 50% profit. So you can verify each and everything. So every NFT is automatically linked to staked online store, and featuring shirts and posters and flags and other culture and merchandise, featured the NFT art and wallets, and holding these NFT automatically receive 50% of the profit from sales from that store. So it's best for you. And next you can see different types of collections are available, and we will verify the prices of these NFTs. So it's very important to tell you about that. So you can see here all collections are there, guys. So you can see how much discount you can get by using these NFTs. And next you can see the details are there. So I will provide you all information how much you can get, and you can get 50% off, and you can see here 50% of profit to the owner wallet. It's automatically transferred to your wallet. And next you can see you have a chance to win how much you can win, 20,000 crypto, and it's perfect. So lots of benefits are available under a single platform, so it's a perfect opportunity. Next you can see the prices are there. Astro price is $1,000 in crypto, and Nebula price you can see here $4,000 in crypto, and next Galaxy price is 50,000. So lots of facilities and benefits are available for you, and you can get these benefits, and it's a perfect idea. You can win these crypto $20,000 amount. Next you can see more packs are available. So you can see the collectors bonus and early supporters. So early supporters can get 2,000 NFT owners can get airdrop free NFT equivalent to of their NFT investment crypto after receiving 50% collection of sale. So after 50% collection of sale, you can get these NFT. And check our roadmap and Twitter for further information, for updates on reaching out the benchmark. So these are the NFTs. Next you can see here, guys, collector bonus. NFT collectors who hold 5 NFC or more become the member of the President Club. So it's very important to get 5 NFTs to become the member of the NFT Club, President Club. So you can easily get the 5 NFT and become the member. And these unique designs will also available in the NFTs owners and the merchandise stores. These designs become available when 30% of the collection has been sold. So this is the information about that. Treasure hunt on X. You can see here the additional entries into the $20,000 crypto giveaway. Follow us on X Twitter for a Tesla in Gima and the mystery. You can see the puzzles and to be solved for the secret code that will be an extra giveaways entry. So there are plenty of options so you can generate best benefits from here. So mystery trades, if you have a minted NFT and containing that mystery trade, which will be shown here 2 weeks after reveal, and you will be surprised with what will drop into your wallet. And follow on X to find out what the mystery trades is. So to find out that, you have to be the part of their Twitter, and you will be updated with that, and you will see in your wallet what happened. So let's see. Next, you can see influencers club collab. So if you are influencer with the following of project interested in a collab, so please contact. So you can contract with them if you want to promote this platform. Next, you can see mint pass. So owning an NFT also serves as a guaranteed mint and pass our next collection as a mint pass guarantee and special discount price for guarantee mint any of our future NFT collection. So this is the detail about that. Next, you can see a tap 5 mint. So you can see here the details are there. You can easily watch that, and here's a video available for your guideline, so you can get more information about that. So it's perfect. Next, you can see all the information they'll provide you, and you can easily get more information about that. Next, you can see, guys, tab 45. So what is the tab for? And you can see pre-sale details September 18, and next, in the public sale, you can see here September 18, 6 p.m. And next, you can see here pre-sale and public sale time is given, and you can see here September 18, $39 in Polygon. And next, you can see the public sale is September 18, $59. It's also in Polygon. So still 21 days left and 18 hours and 45 minutes. So plenty of time left, and it's a perfect opportunity to jump in and buy this NFT, and you can hold this NFT, you can become the owner of this NFT, and you can get massive profit and massive benefits from here. So next, I will show you the details from here. You can see here to the spot on the pre-sale whitelisted. So how you will become the whitelisted? So there are a few details there. Follow their Twitter and Facebook and join their Discord. So you can easily join the Discord, and you can get more information about that. Okay, next you can see opportunity value here and enter your giveaway for the chance to win $20,000 crypto. So it's a perfect opportunity. You can easily win from here. And next you can see the details are there. Follow in the instruction to share giveaways and social media. The more share, the more you earn, and additional entries into the $20,000 crypto giveaways. So these are the details that I'm providing you. You can see here the stats. NFT allocation 8,000 popular American president collections here, and 800 other popular American presidents, and 70 allies and foes, and 18 is the widget. Next, collections starts. You can see 8,888 unique NFTs, Polygon blockchain. So it's based on Polygon network. Next, you can see 7 attributes and 219 traits and 300 promotion reserve. Sale mint info, pre-sale price 39, pre-sale August 29 is you can see here 2 p.m. and public mint price is $15. I already told you about the price. And next you see public sale August 29, 6 p.m. Eastern time. So this was the detail about that, and looks to me NFTs coming back with the massive force, and it's a perfect opportunity for you to jump in and buy this NFT. So This looks amazing. I love the concept of looking forward to seeing the just how far this project goes. And looks to me, as far as my experience is concerned, after a very long time, I saw a kind of NFT project that have massive potential inside, and you can generate best return. So here's the roadmap. So you can study the roadmap. It's very important what they want to do in the future also. So each and everything will be there. NFT art creation and crypto giveaways development. And next you can see public launch and collection press release, and all the details and dates are available. So you can easily study that. So VIP discount pre-sale and updated with September 18, 2024. See time below. So next you can see here type of 545 NFT mint date time. You can see here in front of your face. So next, the public NFT sale. You can see updated date is September 18, 6 p.m. Eastern time. NFT can be minted by all your website and with a limit of 20 NFT per wallet. And NFT reveal will take place shortly after a public sale. And next you can see here the detail, the top 545 NFT mint pre-sale and public sale time. So all information is there, and it's very important to study and watch, and it's your responsibility to verify each and everything. And next is fake frequently asked question. If you have any question, you can get the answer of your question at the same time by clicking on that, and you can easily get more information, more details when you click on that, and you can get the answer. And let's see, yeah, you can get the answer at the same time. So all information is given. So you need not worry about anything. They are providing you all facilities, all benefits, all feedbacks, and once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber and investor community, please don't miss to join their links, because it's very important. When you join their links, you will become the member of their community, and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this NFT platform also. So next you can see, you can easily mail them, and if you have any question and queries, so you can mail them, you can join them on Facebook, so all information are there. Next you can join the Twitter for updates. It's very important. So I will post all the links in description if you have any questions, so you can join in the comment section also. Even you can join their community also. So it's a perfect idea to jump in and get more information about that. So guys, they provide you all the details about the americanpresident.com. So it's a perfect collection of NFT, and they're providing you a best opportunity, and I'm sure you will grab this opportunity. So if you have any questions, once again, you can join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the details regarding this platform. So we will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.